Hello guys, welcome back to NF Things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Frigidaire dishwasher won't start but lights are flashing. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the door is fully closed or latch, because the dishwasher won't start if the latch isn't actually engaged. And also inspect the latch for visible damage or misalignment. And in this case, if it's broken, you may want to replace the actual latch here. Now, another thing that you need to check here is you want to inspect the control panel itself. Now, in this case, flashing lights can indicate that there's a shorted keypad. So you want to clean the control panel here with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dirt or moisture. And if the lights keep flashing, the keypad or control board may need to be replaced. And also for detailed issues that you may be encountering here, you may want to look for any error codes. So the flashing lights may correspond to specific error codes that your dishwasher has. So it's best to refer to the user manual or Frigidaire's official error code guide to understand the actual problem. So in this case, if you're able to determine what's the error code, just follow the recommended steps to fix the identified issue. Now, also, you may want to inspect the heating element. So a damaged heating element can cause the dishwasher to stop mid-cycle or not start at all. So look for any visible damage or use a multimeter to check for continuity. If the heating element is faulty, just basically replace it. And finally, the last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to reset your dishwasher. So to reset this, what you need to do is you want to turn off your dishwasher by unplugging it and switching off the circuit breaker if you aren't able to unplug it from the power source. Now wait for about 5 minutes or more if you can to allow the control panel to reset. So basically we are draining the power away from your dishwasher here, and once the time is up, you can go and restore power and try restarting the dishwasher and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of this actually worked, the best thing that you could try doing here is to contact the support or a technician. So sometimes the problem itself may be a lot deeper, especially if you don't know how to replace the latch or replace the control panel here. It's best to contact support to get further assistance and not to break your dishwasher here further. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.